Hey everyone, it's Lee, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to recover your Gmail account. It's a simple process, so let's dive straight into it. I'm currently using my iPhone, but you can follow along with any device. Just open up Safari or your preferred browser and type in gmail.com to access the sign-in page. If you've forgotten your password and need to recover your account, here is what you need to do. First, enter the email address associated with your Gmail account. Once you've entered it, click on Next. Now you'll see the password field. Since we're recovering the account, click on Forgotten Password. In some cases, if you're using the same device you usually use to log in, it may ask you to enter the last password you remember. This is a convenient option for account recovery. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, let's assume you don't remember the last password. Click on Try Another Way. The next option is to use a recovery email. When you signed up for your Gmail account, you should have provided a second email address for account recovery. If you have access to that email, enter it and click Next. But let's say you don't have access to that email either. In that case, click on Try Another Way again. The final option is to use your recovery phone number. When you signed up, you also provide a phone number for account recovery. Select the text or call option to receive a verification code. I'll choose the text for this example. You'll receive a text message with the verification code on your phone. On an iPhone, it will automatically appear at the top of your screen. If not, open up your text messages and find the message from Gmail. Enter the code and click Next. And there you have it. You can now create a new password and log into your Gmail account, successfully recovering it. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.